May12. I'd like to thank a lot of my subscribers for breaking the 42 mark. Thank you very much. For the longest time, I was at 11 or 12 subscribers, so it is so wonderful to have that many subscribers. People liking my videos and liking to watch them, by the way. That's my little girl. She got 2 little babies in there. She's so happy. She got 2 little babies. But I'm going out today, and tomorrow I'll be having a lot of extra tackle and fishing. I've got a buddy of mine that goes by Bass Pro Shop, and I am tired of not having a bait caster here, so I want to see. It's a little cool out. Oh, by the way, I've got my MTV box, and I'm going to be opening it. Hopefully there's some good stuff in it. See you when we get to the lake. Alright, quick stop. Rallies or churches? Rallies or churches? Rallies. Like a jitterbug, but it's redesigned, has a plastic lip on it, and take a look at it. Good rattle to it, nice profile, looks like a yellow bird or something like that. Very good truck. That I might actually try. And let's see what I got here. About 26,000 seconds. Alright. What I get? Oh, by the way, I'm going to actually start off with a spinnerbait. And I'm going to getting a jerkbait pretty well. But the back is going up like this. So I'm getting got a couple good pops on it, so they let it go before I can look. So we're going to see if I can get it today, too. I had 5 or 6 good strikes down here. One was a bass, but no, it wasn't. And I got some good ones. These guys are willing to hit. I'm happy. A couple good bites and food. First bass of the day is the wacky rig lunker log. 21 inches. Wow, she bottomed out the MTV box there. Scale's all torn up. I'm going to get him back in the bed. Alright? There we go. Oh, that's one fat. My first bass of the day, actually. Came on the lunker log, black lunker log, can't beat that. I just had the one of the hooks they gave me in there, put it right through the collar there, looking out where actually put it on right about where it goes. Yeah, not like that. Kind of a little up like that. Very good. Very good. He pulled. I had him stuck in the crud there for a minute down there on that shoreline, but I got him out. I'm happy with one, but I'm going to see if I get some more. He's getting mini today, but wow. size, by the way. When you get 3 bass and they 3 total probably exceed over about 7 pounds, you're doing a pretty good day. But a couple of those long ears. No real small bass, by the way, today, but you know, on those on that lunker log, you tend to see get bigger fish, by the way. Alright, so basically it's just me time to go get dinner and go home. All you anglers out there, good luck. Stay safe. Sure hope to see you on the water when this craziness ends. Go 7, nothing dinner. Obvious good choice by the day with the weedless jerkbait. I started off with a wacky rig lunker log, and I switched to basically Texas rig without the weight on it. I've been getting a lot of strikes on jerkbait, but as the grass has been growing up, I've been steadily having a harder and harder time getting through there. But basically, rigs certain soft plastics that way, it's working just like a jerkbait. So that's another good trick. Next time you're out, can't seem to get it through there, right? Can't complain about the size and numbers. I got some